In Excel, you can create advanced filter criteria using a separate table. Once you've defined your criteria, you can launch the filter by defining your data range and selecting the cells you want to use as criteria. These criteria cells can be combined as much as you want to create powerful filter operations. From my worksheet below, I can see I have a table with data that I would like to analyze. In order to better analyze this data, I can use the advanced filter criteria. To do this, you can see in the top left-hand corner that I've created a small table which I'm going to use as my criteria. Contained within this table, I have headers from 3 different columns found in my table below. I have purchase total, company, and purchase type, which can be found just below in my table, and I would like to use the criteria found in this particular table to analyze and filter out specific values. In order to create my criteria, I'm first going to select a cell in my table in the top left-hand corner and add specific companies and purchase types that I would like to filter out of my table below. First, I'm going to enter a company name, and then I'm going to select Tab on my keyboard and enter the purchase type, and I'm going to go below and add extra criteria as well, so I'm going to add another company name, and I'm going to select Tab again and enter another purchase type. Once I've added the criteria that I would like to filter out below, I'm going to need to access my Advanced Filter tool. To do this, I'm going to go up to my tool ribbon and choose the Data tab. From the Data tab, if I go towards the center, I'll find the Sort and Filter group. Now, if I have values selected in my table, I'm going to need to select Outside, and then I'll be able to select Advanced from the Sort and Filter group. Once I select Advanced, I can see above that I have a couple different options. I can choose to filter the list in place, or I can choose to copy to another location. I'm going to leave the top option selected. Now below, you'll see that your list range will automatically be selected according to the table you have inserted into your worksheet. If this is not the case, you'll need to choose the cell selection icon on the right-hand side and choose your table values, including your headers. After, you'll need to select your criteria range. Now these are the values that I had added to the mini table found in the top left-hand corner of my worksheet. To select this criteria range, I'm going to choose the cell selection icon on the right-hand side, and I'm going to scroll up my worksheet, and I'm going to include my criteria range. Now I'm going to select the header for this table as well to include it in my range. Once I've selected my values, I can choose the cell selection icon once again, and I'm going to choose to include unique records only by selecting the box in the bottom left-hand corner. Once I've set my advanced filter criteria, I can choose OK to apply the filter. Now I can see that the